Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Time check. 10:09. Travel tayo ng let us say kung ilang oras to. First time kong mag-bus going to Sister Shanice's place. So, mag-care group kami doon ng 11. And time check at today is 10:09. So, let us see everyone kung ilang oras ako makarating. Kasi pag train ang sinakyan ko, uy, ganda. Flex ko muna to. Ganda. O, diba? Sa bakuran lang nila. Pag train, dalawang train, Waterloo, then Clapham. And then after that, bus. One bus. So, let us see kung pag dito pag dito kung ilang oras. Maaga ako nakakarating dun sa mga parang 30 minutes lang. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano. An OOTD of the day, basa ang buhok ko. Everyone, kaya naka-hoodie ang suot ko. Shout out kay Sister Divine. Pa-Christmas niya sa akin. Oh, diba? Pwede nang magganito ngayon dahil sa Monday is bank holiday, spring holiday. So, ayun lang everyone. God bless us all. Good morning, maayong buntag sa tanan. And ayan, update tayo. Later, daan tayo dito sa Deerhurst. Dahil meron ditong 98. Pasensya na. Lola lang po. Adios, bye-bye, and see you when I see you. Update ko kayo. Dito yung daanan pag papunta ka ng 98 na mas malapit sa amin. Ito sa corner is yung temple ng mga Indian. And then, update. Ayan o. Maraming malaki ang bahay dito kasi may yaman ang Indian dito And then, tignan nyo. May mga car yan. In fairness. Ako, naglalakad. Mapa Pilipinas. Masaya na. Makasakay ng tricycle. And then, dito, at saka, update ko pala yung walang Piccadilly. Always there's a problem in the train or weekend. Kaya, better try this bus. Yan lang, everywhere. May sila. May service siguro. Nagdidiwali sila. Magdidiwali. Malaki tong temple nila. Grabe, malapalasyo. So, dito tayo sa kabilang side. Ayan lang, everyone. Care group na wala si Pastora nasa Pilipinas, umuwi kasi patay ang nanay ni Sister Joy Batinga. Condolence po sa mga naiwan ng nanay. See you. Wala pang bus. Everyone. The bus is coming, everyone. That's it, everyone. See you later. 98 pa lang ng bus ako, pero may dabil na everyone. Update. Mag-change ako ng sa Marlboro Art ng 137 towards Street. Ay, basta Ham Street. Ayun, everyone. Bye. See you later. Here's the bus, 137, everyone. That's it. And everyone. Time check, 10:52. Wow. Calling time is 11. Oh my God. Still here at Marlboro Art, everyone. Hallelujah. Buwan ng mga bulaklak or flowers week dito sa Sloan Square. So, ayan everyone ang update ko during my travel in going to Clapham. Tapos, ang dami na nakalagpas na ano ako nakaligtas. Ko na nasa Sloan Square na ako. So, ayan. Marami nagpapapicture. So, humanda ka or yeah. That's it. Parang tuyo na yung bulaklak niya. Mga fresh flowers po yan. Okay? Mga fresh flowers ang ginagamit nila dyan. Ayan pa yan sa church. Tapos meron pa silang food na sineserve. Coffee. Breakfast. Pati yung itong nakabulakal ako din on top. And then the other sides, both sides, naglalagay sila ng papadesign talaga yan. Ito yung pangyayari dito. Ito yung team nila is nakakalungkot naman yung bulaklak. White and green. Yeah. Hindi masaya yung bulaklak. Buti pa tong cup. Ang saya ng bulaklak. Diba? That one also. Simpson. Merong mga paano pa ng event. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda, diba? Bongga. Puros natural plant po yan. Ayan, ang saya dito sa Sloan Square. Wala nga lang Piccadilly, kaya hindi ako nakapag-train. Dito pa. Time check. Oh my. 11:09. Ito yung famous na department store naman dito. Peter John's. So, doon, horsey naman yung team dito sa Sloan Square. Lapit lang dito yung Spanish Consulado ng Espanya Consulate. And that's it. The Sloan Square. Alright.
Square Station, Lower Sloane Street.
Maraming tao. Linggo ng Bulacan. Ayan pa yung isa. Ay, doon may namimigay ng bulaklak. Ayan, okay. Ay, hindi. Binibenta yata nila. Wala na. This is it. That is the last. Ano pala dito? Flower. Anti Battersea Bridge. One of the Battersea Bridge. Next to Battersea.
It's playing.
Okay, we should get breakfast.
No.
Chelsea Gate, Battersea Park.
No, we took a long time.
Hello everyone, we're done in our lunch, so we passed by here at Marks and Spencer. So there's a lot of flowers, plants and everything. They have already here. Wow, it's nice. The snake plant is 10 pounds, and there's a lot, man. And this one, oh yeah, may allergy I have. Also here. This one. 8 pounds. And also the fruits. Oh. This is in Clapham, the big Marks and Spencer here. 1 pound. There's a lot of tulips here. And here also. There. And there. Assorted. 6 pounds per bundle. Ayan everyone. Now there's a lot of ice cream here. Tasha and coffee is mine. Yay! Yummy. Look. And the other one. We are here in Clapham. Hi, video. I've been here. So we're going home, everyone. There's a lot of chocolates that Tony's the name. There's a lot of. This is a new chocolate here. Okay, everyone. Time check. System 02. So, going home. Yeah, the bus is here, 98. I'll check 98 everyone. So that's it. And see you later, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. Meron akong ginger. And meron akong chamomile tea para sa masarap na tulog while watching YouTube, everyone. Time check 9, 2 minutes before 9 ng gabi. Kain tayo, mahapdi ng tiyang.